Welcome back to ActiveInspire, where we're all out helping you achieve a healthy and confident smile. We all want a smile that shines brighter than a disco ball, and with a few simple daily activities and home remedies, you can achieve just that. Get ready to dazzle with these tips for sparkling white teeth. 1. Brushing routine. Time to get up close and personal with your toothbrush. Make sure to brush those pearly whites at least twice a day for 2 minutes each time. It's like a dance party for your teeth, and the whitening toothpaste is the DJ that removes those stubborn stains. 2. Healthy diet. Crunchy fruits and veggies are not only good for your body but also for your teeth. Munch on apples, celery, and carrots like a champ. These natural toothbrushes help scrub away plaque, giving you a smile that's as fresh as a summer breeze. 3. Oil pulling. It might sound like a workout for your mouth, but trust me, it's worth it. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around like you're training for the swishing Olympics. It helps remove toxins and bacteria, leaving you with teeth so white they could blind the sun. 4. Whitening home remedies. Time to play scientist in your own bathroom lab. Whip up a concoction of baking soda and lemon juice or dilute some hydrogen peroxide with water. Just remember, moderation is key. You don't want to end up with teeth as bright as a neon sign. 5. Regular dental hygiene. Flossing is like a secret mission, except the enemy is plaque and the hero is you. Make flossing a daily adventure to remove all those sneaky food particles. And don't forget to schedule regular dental cleanings. Let the professionals handle the scaling while you sit back and relax. There you have it, your ticket to a smile that can outshine the stars. Incorporate these daily activities and home remedies into your routine, and you'll be the envy of all the toothpaste commercials. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tooth enthusiasts. Subscribe to ActiveInspire for more hilarious dental tips and tricks.